Hey lovelies! As a busy working mom, I know firsthand just how hard it can be to get a home-cooked meal on the table each and every night, which is why all month long I'm sharing some of my favorite quick and easy weeknight dinner recipes that come together in a flash but also happen to taste really delicious. And today it is all about this amazing balsamic mushroom pasta that you seriously have to taste to believe. It combines simple mushrooms with some garlic, some shallot, and then a splash of balsamic vinegar adds this tartness and sweetness that makes this dish totally unforgettable. I love this dish because it comes together in under 15 minutes and happens to be totally vegetarian. So it's perfect for Meatless Monday. So to get started here, I have got some butter melting over medium-high heat. And as you guys probably know by now, in my opinion, there is basically nothing better than a recipe that starts with butter in a nice big skillet on the stove. And as soon as my butter's melted, I'm going to go ahead and add my mushrooms to the pan. So these are just some cremini mushrooms that I sliced up. If you're trying to save time on a weeknight, don't hesitate to buy pre-sliced mushrooms. They are a little more expensive, but if they can save you time and get you cooking at home, then they are definitely a shortcut worth considering. Now you definitely have the option to just stick with your creminis here, but I also found some lovely oyster mushrooms at my supermarket, so I'm going to be adding those in as well. I love them because they have a nice meaty texture, really satisfying. And basically, I'm just going to let these cook up in that lovely melted butter for about 4 to 6 minutes, just until they start to release their moisture and become brown. I want to season them at this point with a little bit of salt, of course, as well as some pepper, and we're just gonna let them do their thing. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and get my pasta cooking. So I've got some water boiling in a pot on the stove, and I'm just gonna salt that liberally to get it nice and seasoned. And then I'll go ahead and add my pasta to this. When it comes to weeknight cooking, I usually prefer fresh pasta over dried pasta. Fresh pasta is the kind you can usually find in the deli section at most supermarkets. And what's great about it is not only does it have a really lovely texture, but it cooks up in about 5 minutes. So it's super fast. Not to worry though, if you only have dried pasta, you can totally use that as well here. So by the time our mushrooms are done, our pasta will be ready to go. In just 4 or 5 minutes, your mushrooms will have released their moisture and they're going to start to get nice and brown. And that means it's time to start building in even more great flavor into this dish. And like I said, we're gonna be doing this with really simple ingredients. So I have got some shallot here that I've chopped up. I like shallot, it's got a nice mild flavor, but you could use onion instead if that's what you have. And I've also got some minced garlic. As we know, mushrooms and garlic were meant to be together. They are a match made in food heaven. And once that shallot and garlic has had just a minute or so to get nice and heated up, we're gonna go ahead and deglaze the pan with a little bit of white wine. Now, if you're not a fan of cooking with wine, totally fine. You could also swap in a little bit of chicken or veggie broth here, but I do like some white wine in my cooking. Maybe just 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup is all you need here. You just wanna really get that nice flavor. Oh, this smells unreal. And it's actually about to get better. So just as soon as that wine has reduced by about half, you're gonna go ahead and add the real star to the show, your balsamic vinegar. And balsamic vinegar is so wonderful. It's got such a beautiful acidity, but also this nice sweet flavor. And when it comes together with mushrooms, something magical happens. So we're gonna let our mushrooms swim around in that balsamic vinegar for maybe another minute, and then we can go ahead and add our pasta to this. My pasta is cooked, and instead of even draining it in a colander, I'm just gonna live life on the edge here and just transfer it with some tongs right into the pan. And I also am going to add maybe just a 1/2 cup or so of my nice starchy pasta water. That's going to help to create almost a nice sauce for this. And then we're just gonna stir this until our mushrooms are combined with all that pasta and the remaining liquid has evaporated. And what you've got is a 10 out of 10 restaurant-worthy pasta dish. Just as soon as that pasta water has had a chance to fully evaporate, the final step is going to be adding our fresh thyme. So I love fresh thyme here because it's got a really beautiful earthy flavor that goes so nicely with mushrooms. And I'm just going to get that in there. Give this one more nice big stir. And this is ready to be served. I highly recommend serving this dish up immediately, fresh from the stove. So often, the simplest ingredients make for the best dishes. There is just so much flavor here. I think you are absolutely going to eat this up, quite literally. That is so good. It's savory and earthy and a little bit sweet thanks to that balsamic vinegar. You could serve this up with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, or even some goat cheese would be amazing, or just enjoy it as it is. I hope you love it as much as I do and that you give it a try for yourselves. If you do, be sure to tweet me, Instagram me, or Facebook me a photo because I always love seeing your kitchen creations. Remember, this recipe, like all of my recipes, is featured on healthymealplans.com, our amazing meal planning site that allows you to browse more than 1,000 recipes, drag and drop them into your weekly meal plan, and then automatically generates your grocery list for the week. How easy is that? Finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe because there is lots more deliciousness where this came from.